In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix shortcuts not showing in Google Chrome. If the quick website tiles are missing from your new tab page, don't worry. This is usually just a display setting that can be turned back on in a few clicks. First, open a brand new tab in Google Chrome. The easiest way is to click the plus icon at the top of your browser, or use Ctrl+T on Windows and CMD+T on a Mac. This matters because shortcuts only appear on Chrome's new tab page, not on regular websites. On the bottom right corner of that new tab page, look for the Customize Chrome button. Depending on your version, it may show as a small pencil icon, or simply say Customize Chrome. Click it to open the customization panel. If you don't see it, make sure you're actually on a new tab and not in incognito mode, which uses a different layout and won't show these options. Inside the customization panel, scroll until you find the section labeled Shortcuts. This is where Chrome controls those tiles. If your shortcuts are missing, the most common cause is that the Show Shortcuts toggle is turned off. Flip that toggle on. As soon as you do, Chrome will prepare to display the tiles again beneath the search box. Next, choose how you want those shortcuts to be populated. You have two options. My Shortcuts lets you use your own custom tiles. Great if you want full control and prefer consistent links that don't change. Most visited sites is automatic. Chrome will fill the grid based on the sites you visit most often, and it will update over time as your browsing changes. If you prefer predictability, pick My Shortcuts. If you want it to maintain itself, choose Most Visited Sites. Once you've made your selection, there's nothing else you need to click. Just close the panel or click anywhere outside of it. Chrome saves your changes automatically, so your choice sticks the next time you open a new tab. If the shortcuts still don't appear, double-check that you're not in incognito, that you're on the new tab page, and that the toggle remains on. Also, some school or work-managed browsers may limit customization, which can hide this setting. And that's it. Open a new tab, click Customize Chrome, head to Shortcuts, turn on Show Shortcuts, pick My Shortcuts or Most Visited Sites, and exit. Your tiles should be back and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, quicker new tab experience.